Welcome to our YouTube channel where we will guide you through the process of making a soft and comfortable pillow for your newborn baby. The importance of a newborn baby pillow. Newborns are delicate, and their comfort during sleep is essential. A properly designed baby pillow can offer various benefits. It supports their head and neck, promotes healthy posture, and can help prevent flat head syndrome. Additionally, it provides a sense of security and comfort for your baby. Materials required for making a newborn baby pillow. Before we dive into the creative process, let's gather the materials you'll need. Soft fabric, cotton or fleece, scissors, sewing machine or needle and thread, stuffing material hypoallergenic, pins, measuring tape, marking tools. Design considerations. When designing your baby pillow, consider the size, shape, and any embellishments you'd like to add. Ensure the pillow is small enough to provide adequate support, but not too small that it becomes a choking hazard. You can choose simple rectangular shapes or get creative with animal-shaped pillows. Step-by-step guide to making a newborn baby pillow. Choosing the right fabric. Select a soft, breathable, and hypoallergenic fabric like cotton or fleece. It's essential to avoid any rough or scratchy materials that might irritate your baby's sensitive skin. Creating the pattern. Design a pattern for your pillow based on your chosen shape. Remember to leave a small opening for later stuffing. Cutting and sewing the fabric. Cut 2 identical pieces of fabric according to your pattern. Pin them together with the inside out and sew along the edges, leaving the opening for stuffing. Stuffing the pillow. Carefully turn the pillow right side out and start filling it with hypoallergenic stuffing material. Make sure it's soft but not too firm. Finalizing the pillow. Once it's filled to your satisfaction, stitch the opening closed. Ensure all seams are secure. Safety precautions. Always supervise your baby when using the pillow. Ensure there are no loose threads or buttons that could pose a choking hazard. Regularly inspect the pillow for any wear and tear. Benefits of a homemade newborn baby pillow. A homemade baby pillow offers a personal touch and allows you to choose the materials that best suit your baby's needs. It's also cost-effective and eco-friendly. Plus, the love and care put into making it add an extra layer of comfort for your little one. Decorating your baby pillow. You can further personalize your baby's pillow by adding decorations or customizing the fabric with your baby's name or a cute design. Just remember to ensure all embellishments are securely attached. Conclusion. Creating a handmade pillow for your newborn baby is a wonderful way to ensure their comfort and safety during sleep. It allows you to tailor the pillow to your baby's unique needs and adds a personal touch to their sleeping environment. With the right materials and a little creativity, you can craft a cozy haven for your precious little one. Before we go, we have an incredible resource to make your baby's sleep even more comfortable. Check out Ababi Sleep Miracle, a fantastic guide for ensuring your baby gets the best sleep. Download this book now, link in the description below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. See you in the next video.